In this video, we're going to continue working on my bathroom remodel, and we're going to do it right now. So before the plumber comes back and does his thing, continues the drain pipe over here, I wanted to take the time to fix this. So my bathroom is probably about right here, and right here there used to be a toilet, is what I'm gathering. And what they did was hacked it out, and they just let it sit there. And then this, all the weight was pulling down on this thing. So now there's a gap up here. That's sinking. That's sinking. And I want to just put a joist in here. Take that bracket off. Put a joist in here and just take some of the load off of this. And if that pushes the floor up at all, I want to do it now, because eventually I'm going to fix this anyways. But if I don't fix it now and I go to fix it later and I have tile in this bathroom that, like I said, is right here-ish, then I'm going to pop some tiles or do something. But I'm hoping just at least to cut this back right here, half on the outside box, or the outside sill, I meant. Cut that old joist and then run a new one all along here to raise this up. So I gotta get rid of some stuff here, and we're just gonna go for it and see what happens. Ew. Whoops. Okay, that's scraping. And yes, this is an integral part of this construction. Gotta leave the hand there, holding the house up. So I just realized to myself that there's no way I'm getting anything in there to cut that. So I'm gonna try something different. I'm gonna put some pieces here and jack this up to where I think it should be, and then I'm gonna put the piece from there and have it sit on the beam, and then I'm gonna timber lock it, which are lag bolts. I'm gonna glue it, nail it, and timber lock it all the way down. And even though it's not going to be sitting on anything over here, it's going to be a whole heck of a lot better than what's here. So I'll put my pieces here first, get that jack all set up, and then I'll disconnect this thing, jack this up, and attempt to put my piece in. It's going to be tough getting a jack here because, of course, the pipe is right in my way. But we'll see what we can do. Also got to work around this pipe. That's okay. We'll make it work. Right. The jack, and whoops, made this little jig to go around the pipe. And we're gonna see if it works. Okay, there's nothing. I'm not gonna go crazy. Just gonna get it be a little better than it was. All right, got my piece cut already, ready to go. And I'm gonna use some construction adhesive along this whole thing. Past this hanger. Ugh. Oh, I don't want to rest on that pipe, that's for sure. Get this in here. That. There we go, all set, all lagged in. I got this temporarily put back up here until I rip that out one of these days. Now that that's in, I can go upstairs and don't have to worry about popping tiles afterwards. I could put that backer board down and keep moving along. Okay, so that joist basically ran right about here. And it did actually put this floor up a little bit, not a lot, but I really didn't want to risk it. And I've cut my pieces, as you can see. I went down and ripped these all on the table saw, and because I didn't go into a ton of detail in the last video when I did that for the toilet, basically what I did was, if you have the level right here, you can see this is not level. You can see the bubble right there. So when I put these pieces on here, this ends up being perfectly level. And so you can imagine, let's say that this makes the floor level. Basically what I do is I rip from here to nothing over here, and then you have your piece that goes in here and makes this floor level. And what I'm going to do, just like I did over here, is I keep these about 6 inches apart. Basically, I'm going to go on every joist, wherever there's screws, and screw these down. And then I guess it works out to be about 8 inches because these are 16 inches apart, the joists. And then I fill in the gap, and then I put my backer board down, and you can see when I'm done, I'll have a nice level floor throughout this entire bathroom. And this new addition is pretty level, so I'm not going to worry about it. This is the only area that I'm going to do this in, so I can put these pieces in, I can screw them into place, and then I can put this one piece of backer board down for now, and then the plumber still has to bring his pipe up here and move this heat, so I don't want to mess with that right now. Nice. That looks pretty good. Pretty level. So that's where we're going to wrap this one up. If you want to see more videos on this bathroom remodel, you can click hereish and hereish and go check those videos out. And if you're just finding my channel and you like what you see, go ahead and hit the red button down there to subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you over there or over there.